All right, you guys, we're gonna make some Pico De Gallo today. I got some friends and family in the house. Let's go. All right, you guys, we just tried this Pico De Gallo. I'm telling you, wait till the end of the video and what you're gonna find out. This is the best damn pico we've ever had. Let's go. All right, you guys, Pico De Gallo. You guys are gonna absolutely love this recipe. This pico is like none other out there. It's fantastic. I'm gonna get everything ready to roll, and I'm gonna show you how to bring it all together. Let's go. All right, you guys, we got everything ready to roll. The tomato is a Roma tomato, and it is de-seeded. You want 2 parts tomato to 1 part red onion and 1 part green pepper. Let's get this combined. All right, you guys, just like that. Let's get some salt and pepper going here first. And I got 2 teaspoons of sea salt. India Territory peppercorns. All right, I would say about half teaspoon, no more than a teaspoon on the pepper. 2 teaspoons of sugar. All right, let's go with the garlic next. It's about 2 teaspoons, and I ran it through a garlic press. All right, next up, we're gonna add some zest. This is the zest of 1 lime. And the zest of 1 lemon. All right, now that we got the zest added, let's go ahead and add the juice of 1 lime and the juice of 1 lemon. All right, now that we got the lemon and lime juice added, let's go ahead and add some jalapeno. Now this is 1 jalapeno minced ultra fine. If you want it hot, throw the whole jalapeno in there. If you want it kind of medium to mild, more on the mild side, throw about half in. I know how my wife likes it, which is more on the mild side, so I'm only gonna add half. Just like that. All right, and last but not least, some cilantro. All right, let's get this mixed up. Oh man, this smells amazing. All right, you guys, now this does need some time. We're gonna let it set for about 1 hour, refrigerated and covered. And that's just gonna give the salt some time to extract all the juices from the tomatoes, the peppers, the onions, and really bring everything together. All right, we'll see y'all in 1 hour. Man, this pico looks out of sight. Cordell, what's your thoughts?
It looks really good.
It does look really good. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
The cilantro.
Man, it is instant flavor. Like the second it touches your taste buds, your palate just lights up. It is phenomenal. Dude, I don't think I've had a pico that good.
Oh, yeah.
No. Have you?
No.
I haven't either until now. Dude, this stuff's bomb. You guys gotta make this one. Till next time, ciao.
I don't usually eat a whole lot of like pico.
Dude, it's super bright. Like super bright. Man.